Hey, it's Lori with Angels in the Garden. How are you? Today, I wanted to bring you the tip of the day. I'd love to be outside, but once again, it's raining in Maine. We are hopeful that Maine will have some sun soon, especially for some barbecues coming up and some family time coming up. But in the meantime, we'll make the best of it. I did want to bring you today the tip of the day while I was thinking about my daylilies. My daylilies are just getting ready to pop open. And so this is what I'd like to share with you. Once your daylilies start blooming, be sure to always go out every night and pick off the deadheads. This will allow your flowers to continue bloom for a very, very long time. And something that you may not know, our daylilies, the flowers are only full bloom and alive for one day, and then they die off. So that's why every night you can go out there and find some dead ones that you can pick off. The other thing is, if you're considering this season, to divide your daylilies, be sure to divide them after they have bloomed for the season. That way you can enjoy them as they are and they won't be shocked that you divided them and all that good stuff. So I hope this has helped you. Be sure to come over to our Facebook page if you have any questions, comments, or just want to say hello. I hope you're having a great day. This video has been taken around the 4th of July, so I hope you have a great holiday. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.